Right, let's have a look at this Volkswagen Camper King. It's
Right.
2019. Yeah.
Yep.
It's done 24,000 miles.
Yeah, low mileage for a 19.
Good mileage, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In grey.
Yeah.
Graphite.
Oh yeah, graphite gunmetal grey.
Yeah.
It's not a bad colour actually,
No.
to be honest.
Quite popular, the greys, aren't they?
Tropez.
Yeah.
Who's
It's got,
made this? Is it Camper King?
I don't know.
We've got water.
LKW Campers, Oxford.
Oh, okay.
Well, that's not Camper King, is it? LKW.
No, it's not, is it?
Yeah.
Let's see what they've done then, eh?
Got these side.
Let's cast a critical eye.
Got these rub bars on the side.
Yeah. Fresh water tank.
Oh.
Hey. Electric.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alloys.
Yeah. Shall we make it look like a camper?
Reverse sensors.
Hey.
Yeah, go and pop the top
I'll
up.
pop the top. Let's make it look like a camper van, eh?
We've got an awning as well, Jess. Well, it's gruesome.
Hey?
It's gruesome.
It's what?
Gruesome.
What? What are you on about?
It's gruesome.
Right, let's see what this company's done to this van.
Right.
We've got an awning.
Yeah.
Nice little touch actually.
Yeah.
So
I think with a VW you need it because you need the extra space outside, don't you?
you need all the space you can get.
Yeah, true.
Okay.
We've got your typical rock and roll bed.
Yeah.
You've
You
got
like them, don't you?
a boom arm table.
You do like them. That is the tow bar.
Ah, so it's got a concealed tow bar.
Oh, it's not concealed, it's there.
Yeah, but you can't see it there, can you?
Okay. Now we are getting off to positive, Kev.
Yeah, proper gas locker.
There we go.
We've got a bottle in there, yeah.
Yeah.
Camping gas.
Tell you what.
Jack and Wheelbase, is it?
I like that colour.
Yeah. What have we got in there? Let's have a look. Oh, got all your lackeys there.
Yeah.
Charger. LCD. Yep.
Happy with all that?
Yeah.
Neatly done.
Yeah.
Tidy. Yeah.
Got access to it there as well. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, plenty of access. You've got, as well as your boom arm table, you've got another table there.
Okay.
Curtains on the back doors. Yep.
Okay. Right, so what do you reckon? Do you reckon it can be a separate shower or a combined shower?
Depends whether it rains or not.
I'm liking the colour.
Yeah. Yeah, your typical rock and roll bed.
I'm liking the colour. I am.
Shove your roof up, mate. Give you a bit more headroom.
Oh, very strong.
So it's a 4 berth.
There you go, look
You've
at
got
that.
sleeping for 2 up above there.
Yeah. Control panel, Luke.
Yeah.
Yeah. With a pump. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Hey. Look at that, got the lights, don't
Yeah.
touch. Oh, they touch.
Touch lights.
Look.
Yeah.
Hey, Kev. Look
Yeah.
at all them. Look at that. Charger.
Yeah.
Yeah. With Basto heating system.
So we've got heating.
Proper heating. Proper heating, eh?
Compressor fridge.
Let's have a look.
Make sure it's turned off. Is it off?
Yeah, that's off. That is off.
Yeah.
Alright.
Some people have a habit of leaving them turned on, don't they?
Yep.
Yeah, plenty of storage there.
Tidy job, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, 2 burner hob, is it?
Let's have a look.
Usually, aren't they?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, comes up together. 2 burner hob.
Yeah, 2
Sink.
burner hob. Oh, you know what I'm a sucker for?
Taps.
Yeah, look at that.
That's a nice tap, isn't it?
Look
Yeah.
at that.
That's different.
That's nice, isn't it? That is nice. Good area.
Yeah.
Okay.
Storage under there.
Storage under there, like you said. Oh, Kev.
A nice easy one. good size rock and roll bed.
It is a good size. Easy.
You still get access to your fridge as well.
Oh, well, that's important when you're asleep, isn't it?
You can lean out and get a beer.
Look at that.
Quick release. That's good. That's a good rock and roll bed. That. I like
We're
that
happy
one.
with that, aren't we?
I'm happy with that one.
Right. I'll tell you what you'll also be happy with as well. Just let me come out. I've just spotted.
Swivelly seats.
You're going to be happy with that one, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh. Hang on, Kev.
Unrecline it. There we go.
Bit messing around there, isn't it?
Where does the boom arm table fit?
Hang on, what that for? You haven't done the cab. Kev's cab.
Your typical VW cab. 5-speed manual. We've got aircon. All your controls on your steering wheel. We've got no blinds on these, have we? Nope.
No.
We must have sticky up ones, have we?
I don't know.
Yeah.
What's the upstairs like? Yeah, I'll be that now.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Mattress.
Yeah, you've got the net as well. So it's got kiddies up there. Yeah, it's got the mattress on and everything, yeah.
Oh, good. Go back up.
Go back up.
Boom arm handle. Boom arm. There. Spotted it.
Ah, there's your bracket for your boom arm.
That's not a bad spot actually.
So when this seat's spun round,
Yeah.
you sit on your seat and you've got like a coffee table thing there. Then you've got your rail here, which is your other table that's in your back door.
Back here.
Will fit there for dining. Yeah.
Feels big, doesn't it? It's only 5 metres.
Yeah.
It does feel big.
Yeah, short wheelbase, isn't it?
Yeah. Probably give me under 40k easily.
Yeah.
So I like that. Good prep.
Yeah.
Hobbs, best top I've seen in a Volkswagen, that is.
Yeah.
I like this colour.
Yeah.
It's a grower, isn't it?
Mm.
Typical Volkswagen. Like I said, we've got the touch lights, which is quite good. Where's that gone? What's happened there? There you go.
There you go, you said that.
There you go.
Yeah.
Got a little light along there as well. So we've got a proper control panel.
Two seat belts on the rock and roll bed, yeah.
2 seat belts. Yeah.
So you've got full belted seats.
Yeah. Charger point, like we said. Good prep area. What else can you get from it? Nothing else, is there?
No.
Okay.
It's
Yeah,
typical
canvas looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Typical VW, but
It's well done.
yes, it's a nice conversion.
Yeah.
It's been looked after.
Yeah.
It's got
Low mileage as well,
Low
Kev.
mileage, yeah.
Has got low mileage. Yeah, so there you go. The Tropez.
By LKW.
Is it LKW?
That's what it says on the side.
Yeah, I know, but didn't Emily say it was a Camper King?
That's what she said, yeah. Don't know where she got that from.
Oh, I don't know. It's a nice conversion.
Yeah.
It's a nice one. The gas has been done properly.
Yep.
Everything's right on it. Yeah, I do like it. It's all right.
Yeah.
Nice and easy bed.
Mhm.
No faffing with the swivelly chair and thing.
No.
Yeah, we're happy with that, are we?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you've enjoyed the video, there's the Volkswagen. It'll be on the website. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and let's go do another video, okay?